Fuck off, Thomas. I'm doing something. Whoa. Hold on a minute. 2018 making a crypto video? February 2018? Shit's tanking, everybody. I thought we sold out. I thought everybody was leaving the market. I thought we were cashing out. Shit's just tanking. You know, you can't see it in frame, but this nasty bucket here, you know, I had to sell. You know, I gotta eat. I had to sell my toilets. You know, you wouldn't imagine how little amount of money you get for selling your toilets. And now this is a trash can, and I shit in this trash can. This is my toilet. That's how bad crypto's going. It's down like 60%. Welcome back to another crypto video. I'm Corey, and today we're going to talk about what to do in a bearish market. So I say bearish, it's really just been a bad month. It's been a bad month basically for stocks in general too. The entire, the stock market and the crypto market are all down. So I'm going to talk about some things that you can do during times like this. I wouldn't call this a bear market. I just call this a happy dip. You know, I think that later on, especially this is going to be a great year for crypto, I think. So I think we're going to see a steady incline in the coming weeks. Hopefully, or maybe we enter an actual bearish market for a year or two, but we'll see. So the first thing that you can do is follow the crowd. Follow the crowd and sell your coins. You know, it blows my mind that people are selling their coins. I mean, you know, people selling coins close to ICO price, some people selling coins at a loss. But hey, look, a lot of the coins in the market, a lot of people bought with credit. A lot of people took out loans to buy crypto, which, you know, is a problem in itself. But hey, they have to pay their bills, so they have to liquidate. You know, so if you're in that situation, you know, your bills, your family, that's what matters first. You know, don't worry about crypto. Think of it, maybe buy in later if you can, or maybe make some better choices next time. So if you have to cash out, you gotta cash out. I mean, what are you gonna do? The second thing to do is to hold your coins. You know, if you really understand the technology that you're believing in, then you understand its potential, you understand, you know, why it's needed, then a dip like this is kind of like a happy Christmas. You know, coins are hugely amount off, like 60% off, continue to accumulate. It's what you call the accumulation phase. It's where you buy in a little bit more aggressive, if you can, buy in lower at these lower prices so that, you know, 5 years down the road, you'll thank yourself. Hopefully you'll thank yourself. Of course, we don't know which coins are going to be the successful coins. So it really all comes down to you need to do your research. If you're selling because you're afraid, you bought in for the wrong reasons. You bought in on hype, you bought something you didn't understand, and you made a mistake. So before you buy anything, always do your research. No matter what I shill on this channel, whether it be Funebux, or something like Request, or Modem, or anything else that I like, you have to do your research. You have to look at the blog, and you'll be comfortable when these dips come. You'll be excited because you can buy in more for less money, you know? You can profit off all these other people who have their weak little hands who are selling their coins. So my personal opinion is to buy in. This is a dip, you know, we might not see another dip like this for a long time. We could go on a crazy bullish run. We don't know. Or we could continue in a bear market. So if you go all in right now, remember, it could dip more. So a strategy could be to invest, you know, half now, or a quarter now, a quarter in a week, a quarter in another week, to kind of balance out. If the market continues to dip, then hey, you'll be okay. If it increases again, then again you'll be doing okay because you still bought in low. Dollar cost averaging, that's basically the idea there. So again, please don't buy in on credit. Don't take a loan out. Don't take a business loan out like those people did with BitConnect to invest in hype. You know, do the research. If you see a post on Reddit or you see a post on 4chan telling you to buy a coin and don't worry about it and thank him later, don't. You need to do your research. It's plenty of time to make good crypto gains. You just have to be patient and you have to be smart. So in my opinion, don't sell. Continue to accumulate. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to do your own research. Funebux is still in pre-ICO, so if you're interested in that, invest in that. That'd be good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This has been Corey.